Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Allahumma arina al-haqqa haqqan warzuqna ittiba'ahu wa arina al-batila batilan warzuqna ijtinabah. Allahumma ighfir lana warhamna warda 'anna wa taqabbal minna wadkhilna al-jannata wa najjina minan nar wa aslih lana sha'nana kullahu. Today we will recite Hadith 2514 in Mishkat Sharif. One Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha qalat istazanat Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam fil jihad faqal jihadukunna al-hajj muttafaq alayh. Now, in this section, this is a very important hadith for the section in which the women of Muslim Ummah, Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu asked Rasulullah to go for jihad, and Rasulullah has replied to Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu, our beloved mother, that your jihad is to perform Hajj. So in this aspect, we have to know that when a woman is in the bond of marriage, or in any other capacity like a daughter or maybe sister or mother, then they have to make sure that they encourage and they make it happen that the males of your family should make a niyyah to go for Hajj. And this is so important that in your daily life you're going to see that most of the time you are trying to fulfill your desires in this world, buy a house, buy a car, buy this and buy that. But on the other hand, in this beautiful hadith, Rasulullah is now declaring that the jihad for all the females of Muslim Ummah is to perform Hajj. And in this hadith, it is like the women are the one who should be like the force to make sure that all the men of the family, the focus should be, as soon as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you money, you should go for Hajj. Don't delay it. Because as soon as you have enough money and you are healthy, Hajj is fard on you. Hajj is fard on all the aspects, but these two requirements is very important, that you have to have the money and you have to have the capacity. That means your health should be that you can go. So here, the ministry of home is so important, that if that ministry decided that has to go to Hajj, then it will be so easier to make a decision. And this is what Rasulullah is giving the message, that the women of Muslim Ummah, make sure you bring and you make sure the first plan in your planning should be to go for Hajj, because that's your jihad. And also another aspect of this hadith is that the jihad, actually the responsibility of the religion is not put on the shoulders of women, it is put on the shoulders of men. But women are there to make sure that they should facilitate everything, and it will happen when they facilitate anything in the house, and it will bring closer the relationship in the true relationship, when there is a man and a woman in a relationship of husband and wife, or you are in a relationship of daughter and your father, or relationship in which you are sister and brother. This is your mahram. You can go to Hajj from along these men, with these men, and mother and son. So we need to realize the importance of this hadith, especially the females, and make the top priority to perform the Hajj. May Allah give us guidance to follow the hadith. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.